6 minutes late, but we're online. Okay, and I didn't attach the mic. Let's see if this works. It's saying headphones. Okay, hi everyone. I'm starting. Let's see. Hi, hello, welcome in. I'm 6 minutes late. Sorry again. There was the glitch that I was unable to fix on the laptop here. I'm a little slow on technology. Hi Pragya Joshi. Hi Jasprit. Hi Sakshi darling. I'm very well Pragya. How are you? Sanchita Mandal. Hi, welcome. YOLO YOLO. Welcome back. Shweta Singh. Hello. I am Shweta Singh. When will I get married? Just hang on with your questions. Let me just talk for 5 minutes and then we'll begin. Zevar, hi Pooja. Okay. YOLO YOLO. I'm very well, Sanchita. Great to see you back in your prayer room. Yes, actually, after a long time, your connection is unstable. Please wait while you try to reconnect you. Okay, I'm back in my puja sthan. This is my prayer room. And I already had this, but I was refurbishing it up. And because of the lockdown, I couldn't, I wanted the carpeting and everything done, and the walls are new. So it took me a while. Yes, I'm back in my form. As you can see, with my crystal and my tika on my head, I'm back in my form. Yes. Okay. Okay, everybody starting with their questions. Okay, listen, like just after 15 minutes of being in, I really wanted to start with a positive note and not just with your questions. Yes, you're welcome. This is why I'm here. But I always want to give, let's say, a prayer card or a blessing card and a miracle message for everybody for today evening. Okay? नहीं करो यार उसको, please. It doesn't come out well. So the blessing card from Ganesha is protection. I already pre-shuffled because I was going slow. The card is here for protection. Obviously, it's very clear as I'll tell you a funda. The numeric card, the numeric number is 20. Listen, can you just stop with your questions for a minute? Let me just give you some blessing cards and everything. I'll definitely get to your questions, everyone. Okay, I'm sorry for the late thing. So the blessing card here is 20, which comes out to number 2, which is the number of moon, which says here, don't be insecure about yourself right now. Don't be insecure about where your life is headed. Don't be insecure about what's going to happen. I know it's a very normal thing for everybody to say, don't think about it, it'll happen. But this is the message for everybody out there who's feeling, where am I in life right now and where am I headed? So you are protected, and Ganesha is here. He always is going to protect you. Ganesha stands for, canceling out your, let's say, breakage before you do something and breakage in life. So this is the card for protection. You don't have to worry. Your divine message is focused intention, and which says here, think about what you desire, set your sights high, expect the best possible outcome. This I have given a message in normal tarot reads a lot of times. So again, I was talking about the moon, and see the moon says here, think about what you want. Affirmations, you must have heard about affirmations. Say that incantation out loud. Set it out on a piece of paper, burn it, because this is the month of lunar eclipse and solar eclipse is also going to come. This is the time of rejuvenation. I have explained you the whole thing on Instagram. You can go and have a look about what I mean by, writing on a piece of paper and burning it, all your intentions. This is what it means. Again, your card has come out again of Kali, which says endings and beginnings, simple point blank. And you can see the moon here as well. It's the eclipse. The old must be released so that the new can enter. For all those people out there who are wanting something new in your life, a new relationship, a new partner, a new love affair to start, a new partner to come across, you need to stop everything that was holding you back from your past. Be it your past relationships, be it your anything, even if it's about business. Forget about what losses you've incurred, forget about everything that you've gone through. Now is the time to restart because you're blessed. Simple. I'm sorry I'm holding on all your questions and your miracle messages. When in doubt, I choose to see peace. Again, this I relate with the blessing card that has come out, that don't doubt where your life is headed. The Ganesha card said very clearly that you are protected. Protection card was here. And the next one is, when I honor my feelings, I find my power in powerless situations. I'll repeat. When I honor my feelings, I find my power in powerless situations. Let go of the doubts, let go of the insecurities, let go of all the things that is stopping you from your growth. Okay? Now, everybody's had that patience. Thank you so much for listening, and I'm going to get back to your questions. The new person joining in is Dhruv Batra. Hi, Dhruv. You calling me ma'am. Very nice. Thank you. Okay. Okay, starting with the question, I'm just going to scroll down from the beginning where you all had said about your questions. So the first question was of Sanchita Mandal. Will Arijit Day reconcile this year? I'm answering your question, Sanchita. To everybody else, please just hang on tight. I'm going to come back to you. Okay, Sanchita, will Arijit Dev reconcile this year? All the best. Let's see. Okay. I usually don't like showing cards, but anyway. First card that popped out was a Tower card. Means you had a really bad breakup, or obviously because you're using the word reconcile, obvious, but just showing you what came out. A lot needs to be done in this relationship, my dear. There is a lot that needs to be worked on. As the Hangman card is here, that means, yeah, the person is not yet ready and informed to give what it takes to begin this relationship. And maybe you are eluding yourself a lot. You need to stop. Answer is yes, but I'm just explaining you. For now, reconnect your answers with the divine messages that I gave you and think where you are in your life and just trust him. Okay, Sanjay, hope I answered your question. All the best. Okay. Shweta Singh. Hi, I'm Shweta. Please answer my question. I have tried many times. I'm sorry, Shweta, your question has just came up right now. Like I said in the beginning, I wanted to really first talk for a few minutes, then just, bang on, start with your questions. So I'm sorry for the delay. Shweta, please tell today, I want to know, Shweta Singh, 3rd May, 94, the date of birth. I don't need your date of birth to tell you about your question in tarot. Okay, if you want to connect with me, please, I'll mention my phone number here. Just directly contact me on WhatsApp and I'll give you the details of whatever your date of birth and numerology and astrology is concerned with. I'm going to answer you about your job. Please be direct with your question, Shweta. Please, it's my request to you. Okay. There will be a day when we'll chat about your date of birth and numerologically what is good for you and what is not. I'll talk about it number wise. But today, let's just be very honest. I mean, just bang on with your questions, okay? I've given you the number, Shweta. Just scroll down on your chat. There is my phone number, WhatsApp. Reconnect with me again, okay? Till then, you can just rephrase your question. What is your specific question? I'll answer you here. Okay, let's see what's the other one. Jaspreet Aneja, will I meet my future husband this year? Yes, you will. But there will be a, let's say there will be, क्या कहते हैं, रिश्ता, रिश्ता offer. An offer will be coming to you this year, but I think you will walk away from it, or probably you already have walked away from certain things, certain relationships or not relationship offers that were given to you. Answer is coming a yes, but I was just explaining you. Your answer is a yes. Sanchita, you've mentioned your question 3, 4 times. I've already answered. You. I started the session with you. Okay. YOLO, YOLO, may I ask general love reading for future? Sure thing. I'll just take out one tarot and one energy card and probably a love card for you. Okay, YOLO? Okay. See, now I can explain you the card you have to connect this in your life. This card usually means something has ended. YOLO, you've deleted your question again. Anyway, so this means something has ended. This could either connect with you, you have to, confirm it to me, or you are going to find someone who's just recently come out of a relationship. And your love card, just a minute. This could be the one. I don't know if you've asked me this question before or this thing came for you before or not. Whosoever is going to connect with you now, I'll tell you the time frame as well. That person is going to be the one. So just hang on with the person whosoever reaches you out. I see about 7 weeks, 7 days, 7 months. Now, 7 is of importance to you for your love life. Now, again, this is just a general direction that energy is giving you that this can happen. You have to find it out yourself. I just hope it's 7 days for you or 7 hours. You never know. So, all the best. Mangal 19, ma'am, when will I get married and how it will be? Okay. When will you get married? Let's first look up to that question. Guys, if you please, you're new, you like what I'm doing, please hit the subscribe button, like the video if you please, comment if you please. Thank you so much. Mangal. Oh boy, you definitely will. You will be confused about 2 people. I don't know whether you are already connected with someone or you are connected with some people, but your choices are coming too. You will have a choice. You will definitely choose one person this year itself, and your life is about to change. Wheel of Fortune. So good luck, Mangal. Ruby Bhatia, hi, welcome. You're welcome, Sanchita. Parminder Kaur. क्यों ऊपर जा रहा है? When will my daughter get married? Okay. Parminder ji, I'm answering your question. I see your daughter getting married in the next 6 months, believe it or not. And in 2 months' time, you're going to find the person whom you're going to set her up with. Good luck. Zever query, if you please, if you like the reading, if you're new, please do subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button if you please. Thank you so much. You can follow me on Instagram for some divine guidance every day. Zever has a question. Hi, I have already shared my question with you. Here precisely, I would just like to ask you that after my son's birth, many things have started changing on their own. I just want to know, where are we heading? Okay. You're heading in the very right direction. Yes, there were some ups and downs in your life. 3 months tops. You're not going to think like this. 3 months, let me just confirm it's 3 months or 3 weeks. It's 3 months. Tops, you're going to feel not the need to come on a live chat and ask someone like me this question. Does that answer you? This says you're going to just move forward, just to show you the Chariot and the 6 of Wands, which means you're just going to move right ahead in your life and you're going to have success and victory. You're not going to look back. You will forget about all the hardships that you faced. And your son is definitely your love and luck. So don't doubt it. Okay? I hope I've answered it. Shweta Singh, when I will get married, ma'am. Okay. यार मैं अपने आप तो बता सकती हूँ, but it will be much helpful and fun if your intention is also required. So if you just mention your, time span, will I get married in so and so? Because it's again a live chat. Answer तो मैं फिर भी दे दूंगी, but then accuracy will be more if your intention is put in the question more. If you ask me, ma'am, will I get married in so and so? Will I get married after 3 months? That'll be much accurate. Okay. I've asked this year, it's come this year, Wheel of Fortune. This means your life is going to change, your luck is about to change, your time is about to change. Whatever you were facing right now, it's all about to change and give you good luck. Okay, Shweta? I have answered you, Shweta. Pragya Joshi, did I miss my turn? Pragya, I think I've answered you. I don't know. What was your question? Can you just please repeat it? I can't scroll everything, वरना मैं सबके messages आगे कर दूंगी. Pragya, I'm just going slow. Please be a little patient with me, okay? Shweta Singh, I was the first to ask when I will get married. I think you missed it. I'm sorry, Shweta. Like I said, I don't have any grudges against anybody here. Okay, I just was supposed to start just about 7:30. I was unable to go live. I was getting really worried. And then after coming, I really wanted to give out the guidance messages first. So have a little patience, please. I'm trying to answer everyone. Don't get offended. Ruby Bhatia, will my husband come back to me? Will he realize his mistake and apologize for the same? Well, because you're asking this question, Ruby, I'm going to be honest. Let's just hope he does. And if it's in your best interest and if it's good for you, I hope he listens to you. I hope Vaheguru listens to you. I hope Shivji listens to you. Okay? Ruby Bhatia, I see your name, you're a Sadhani. So that's why I said, like, I'm wearing this also right on my on myself for now. Okay. Let's see. He will, Ruby, but not now. I don't see him coming very soon. I see him coming around October. And as far as his mistake and apology is concerned, I think he's going to come back with an attitude of, it's my fault. Sorry, क्या बोलना मतलब तू समझ ही गई है, then मैं आ तो गया ना वापस, मतलब मेरी apology थी. He's not going to, he's a very egoistic person, I see. I'm sorry, don't mind my words. But this is what I see in the cards. Yolo, thank you so much, ma'am, for your reading. Take care, stay safe. Thank you, Yolo. Jyoti18, hey, hi, can I be added to the list? Hey, listen, if anybody is here who can just explain me what this list is all about, because I don't know if there is a list you guys can be added, on a personal level. Do explain me how, then probably I can just make a list. I don't know what the list is all about. I just know the subscribers thing. Okay? Jyoti, please you explain me if you get time, darling. Sazia Khatun, welcome. She's also asking the same question. Can I be added to the list? Guys, please explain me what this list is all about. I'm new to this. Shweta Singh, man, you didn't reply to my question. I was the one who asked when I will get married, and you read that comment where I mentioned my date of birth. I answered you. The longest reply was for you only. आप ना इसका replay देखना, मैंने आपको आंसर किया है after the divine messages. I have answered you. Oh God, I've gone too far niche. Okay. Jyoti's question. Guys, please give me some, have some patience. मैं उसको scroll कर रही हूँ. I'm trying my best. Yolo, Jyoti, there is no list. Just drop your question. Thanks, Yola, for the explanation. I myself was getting worried. Maria, will Daniel contact me this month? Okay. Some cards are wanting to flip. Oh, yes, he will. I think this guy, Daniel, he just ended something in his life. And now he's free. He seems like a person who knows what he wants. He's a person of great ego and, let's say, sophisticated. And He knows my way and blah 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 like that. So yes, he will. Sazia Khatun, Talib is my future husband. Is that a question or you telling me? Yes, he is. If that's your question, Sazia, Talib is your future husband. Mubarak, Mubarak. Jyoti 18. Will my daughter get success in competitive exams? Okay. It would have been nicer if you would have mentioned her name or the initials, but I'm answering your question anyway. Wow. She is a very intelligent girl. She's got a lot of capabilities in her. She has a lot of honor and she's going to do very well. Very, 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 very well. So, good luck. Good luck. Pragya Joshi deleted her message. I don't know why. Shweta Singh 2020. Okay, Shweta, will you be getting married? Yeah, Shweta, I've answered you. नहीं किया क्या? तुम्हारे बीच में किया तो आंसर. हाँ, you will get married. Now I've answered your question. You will get married in 2020. And whosoever you're going to get married with within 8 days time or January, March, April, May, June, July, August, you're going to meet this person also. Good luck. Now don't say I did not see your question. Okay. Pragya Joshi, can you please tell, are you seeing any stable love commitment coming towards me? After 2 months, probably yes. As of now, no. Sorry. Angel 1 Ink 1 or Angel Ink. I don't know what it is. Hi, this is Neelu. My question is. Sorry, I don't have the cards to give you this answer. I'm sorry, Neelu. I don't have the cards to give you this answer. Bows and bubbles. Hi, welcome. Shweta Singh, 2020, I will meet my future husband. How will you be? Yeah, Shweta, seriously? Saddam Alam, your message is retracted. I don't know why. Shweta Singh, love you, ma'am. Please tell more about the married life, please. I'm very tense. If you're married and if you think I've said the right thing, contact me. I've given you my phone number. WhatsApp me. Like this, the way you're talking to me here, I'll give you a lot of details just in one question. Just contact me, okay? I will tell you what profession also. I'll tell you how he's gonna look and a lot more. So do get in touch with me. Lavender Seas, welcome. You were the first one who joined last time, so I remember you. Bows and Bubbles, may I have a general message? Okay, Bows and Bubbles. Your life is going really slow, but have some patience. I think Bows and Bubbles, you guys joined me later, Lavender Seas. So in the beginning, you can just rewatch the video if you have a little patience later on. I have given the divine messages in the beginning. That is really going to help you with whatever you've asked. Your card has basically come out of rest and rejuvenation, Bows and Bubbles. If that means anything to you. Okay, this means like I said before, your life is going really slow right now. So you really need to take care of yourself. Invest this time in taking care of yourself. Oh shit, I've again pushed it over. I'm sorry guys, एक second, just a minute. Lavender Seas, may I get a reading? Yes, sure you can. May I know what's in for love? Very soon, you will find the person, but I think you will not recognize that person. You might just be very rude and shrewd to the person who's going to approach you. Don't do that because you will think, oh, I have a lot of other possibilities. I have a lot of other people coming in. Be kind. You don't know what kind of place that person has come from, or what courage, what it took for that person to collect the courage and come and speak to you. Because that's going to happen in about 8 to 10 days' time with you. Okay, Lavender, be careful. Don't be rude to anybody who's going to approach you now. Gaurav Sharma, he just left. Okay, Shweta Singh, will I get the job which I desire, government job officer? Shweta, I will answer only one question per person here on live chats. You can again please contact me. Devar Query, thank you so and so much. I can't tell you how much relaxed I feel listening to this. It's readings and they are always positive. I believe my son is my good luck. I'm glad you feel that way, and never let any of the circumstances, wherever and whatever you're going through, make you feel that you deserve any less in life. सबकी लाइफ में ऊपर नीचे आता है. अगर अभी आपकी लाइफ में नीचे आ रहा है तो don't think you're gonna stay here. You know, you will go up. Things will, and खुद को भी थोड़ा पुश करना पड़ता है. It's not that किस्मत पे ही डिपेंड करना. कर्मा बहुत बड़ी चीज होती है. कार्मिक एक्शन करना पड़ता है. Change your mindset. You will see life is good. Okay. Chetan Gupta, hi, I hope you're doing good. I'm very well, Chetan. Welcome. You're welcome, Ruby. Saddam Alam, मैम मैं कुछ करना चाहता हूँ बट कुछ कर नहीं पाता. क्या आप मेरी प्रॉब्लम का हल बता सकती हैं? प्लीज रिप्लाई मी. मैं आपको सिर्फ एनर्जी कार्ड बता सकती हूँ, ठीक है, कि आप कुछ करना चाहते हो नहीं कर पाते हो, उसमें आपको क्या करना चाहिए. ओके. अपने फ्रेंड्स की एडवाइस सुनो, अपने घर वालों की एडवाइस सुनो. और अगर स्पेशली आपकी लाइफ में कोई मेल फिगर है, जैसे पापा हो गए आपके, आपके बेस्ट फ्रेंड हो गया, आपका ब्रदर हो गया, उनकी बात जरा ज्यादा माने अगर वो आपको इस वक्त कोई एडवाइस दे रहे हैं. आपने कोई स्पेसिफिक क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछा था तो मैं इतना ही जवाब दे सकती हूँ. ओके. Mimi, will Dario come look for me? Okay, Mimi, I think you're new. Welcome. Oh yes, he will. He will. You don't have to be troubled about it. Don't think you're just thinking too much in the air. He definitely will. I think he's dealing with certain things in his life and he's thinking, I think it's his self-searching time. Give him some time, he will definitely reach you, Mimi, okay? If my answer made any sense, please do subscribe to the button before leaving the chat room. Thank you. P. Kapoor, message deleted, I don't know what it is. Sazia Khatun, question. Ha ha ha. Okay, I don't know what that means, Sazia. Joshika's liked. Hi, in English, please. May I know what type of guy is my future husband? Sure, Joshika. It's just that my mother tongue is Hindi, and while chatting with everyone, I prefer to chat in both the languages, and I speak English pretty well as well. So, hang on. I'm not going to speak in Hindi. I'm going to tell you the energy card, what kind of a future husband is going to be for you. Okay. Okay, I see that person maybe is going to be coming off from a broken marriage, a divorcee, or someone who is really having a live-in relationship, or someone who's going to be really attached to something in his past. And now he's wanting to move ahead. He seems to be a very spiritual person as well, a kind-hearted man. That kind of a person is definitely in cards for you. You're welcome, Sazia. Gaurav Sharma. Whether my love and feelings for Shilpi is one-sided or she also feels the same. Ooh. Okay, let's see. Does Shilpi have the same feelings as Gaurav? Yes, she has, but I think she seems a little depressed in certain ways. She's going through something in her personal life. She's not too sure of things she does. So the answer is a yes anyway for you. Jyoti 18, list is made in order the people join. It is just to ensure no one is missed out. Okay, people that write in the answer in order they join. Okay, Jyoti, thank you for this info. I was trying my best. I'm really sorry. Hand-folded apologies if you felt offended anybody. And I was really trying to speak for a while before I start with your questions, so please excuse me there. Sakshi Sareen, will I get to travel to the mountains in 2020? Yes, you will. That's my answer. But I'll answer it from the tarot. Yes, Six of Cups. You will enjoy the way you enjoyed before, but unknown card is here. That means it's going to happen this year, but when I can't tell you, but definitely this year, and it's going to be, honestly speaking, maybe after 2 weeks or 2 months. Definitely. And you will have a gala time. You're welcome, Jyoti. Glamarati, hi. May I have advice for upcoming exams? You have exams and you're on the computer watching my live chat. Are you out of your mind? I mean, welcome. Thank you so much for joining in. But you should be studying. Anyway, I'll give you the advice. Okay. Okay, your advice is start doing the thing which is going to make you remember stuff. You know, the six chakra card is coming of intuition. I think there is a specific way everybody has been telling you, or there is a way you really remember things which you have not been doing. Either writing it and remembering some. There is a way. Some people talk out loud and read out loud and remember it. You have to do some particular thing because you know what it is. I cannot tell you. It is saying that you are aware of what you used to do before and you were pretty good at it. So the answer is coming. You should start doing that again. I don't know if it made sense to you or not. If it did, please do subscribe. Thank you. Pragya Joshi, thank you, ma'am. You're welcome. P. Kapoor, will I get married this year? Okay, let's see. And I'm tired sitting with my folded legs. Just a minute. Okay. Pragya Joshi. No, I was sorry. I was at P. Kapoor. Will I get married this year? Let's see. Yes, you will. And I think whosoever is going to come in, you might just come across this person after 2 months. And in the third month, you might just end up thinking yes or no about this person as well. The answer is a yes. GC, hello, welcome. What are my career prospects? General card reading. Career reading. What are the possibilities of getting a government job? First, I think I'll answer you what are the possibilities of getting a government job, okay? You will. And I think that's what's best suited for you. I think you're going to get whatever you desire, whatever plans you have in your head, you're going to get it through this government job, and definitely you're getting it. And as of career reading, I will just take out an energy card for you as well. Be very sure. Be very see this is the first chakra which is at the base of our spine. This is the root chakra. Either you're about to fall sick, or your posture is not good, or whatever you're doing, take care of your lower back first, and be very stubborn and be very strong in your thinkings and your goals. Only then you'll achieve it. You definitely will. The message goes out both for health and how you should go about life. So good luck. Pragya Joshi, ma'am, in next live session, I'll make list of you. Thank you, Pragya. That's amazing. Thank you so much. Gigi Libra, hello. Hearts back at you. Shweta Singh, thank you. Love you, ma'am. Love you too, darling. Please tell me about the job also. No, I will not. You have to contact me. Only one question per person. Okay. यार कहाँ चला जाता है ये? साजिया खातून मैम, you are so sweet. आप हंसते हुए बहुत क्यूट लगते हो. Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm happy because I'm sitting in my own room now. I used to be doing live chats in my room before. So thank you. Shweta Singh and my future husband profession. ये मैं अभी नहीं बताऊंगी. You have to sit with me for a quite normal chat. I will not talk all this on live session. Like I said, reach out and I'll tell you. This is, I think, the 10th time I'm explaining you, Shweta. Next time I ignore kar dungi. Sachi. Gigi Libra, is there a list? Again, Gigi, I don't know. Just have a look at the live chat. Yeah, relax. I want to answer everyone. Okay. Doesn't matter. It's very easy. So there is a list. Yes, you can go up. This girl just told me that she's going to make the list next time. So definitely I'm saying yes, there is a list. Abhi to nahi hai फिलहाल. Okay, Chetu Gupta, I'm confused whether to do job or start a business. Please suggest. Okay, I'll take out one card for job and one card for business. Let's see which one is best. Okay. You can do both, but as far as the job is concerned, I don't see anything nice and happy happening before 4 months. And as far as the business is concerned, you're going to do a lot of success. And I see your success only after 6 months. Not completely. See, now answers both are coming positive. But the karmic action needs to be done by you. Use this, what you think you will be more happier in. That's why you're confused. I think you know your capabilities pretty well, Chetan. So my suggestion would be apna काम सबसे best होता है. But again, are you ready to take all the risks involved in having your own business? Then please do go ahead because I see you getting success. YOLO, Gigi Libra, no list. Just drop in your question. Thank you, YOLO, for answering. Thank you so much, Gigi Libra. Why does yellow feel for me? Why does YLO feel for me? Will we reconcile? You will reconcile. That person is a very stubborn person, whosoever you asked about, Gigi Libra. This person is very stubborn, very strong headed, does what that person wants, will not listen to anybody's advice. I see that happening in 2 months. Okay. It can be 2 weeks also, depends on how your life is going to go. I'm just going to explain you the card. And what does he feel for you, or what does Y feel for you? Again, if this is a woman, the answer is pretty simple. If it's not a feminine, it's a masculine, the answer is again very simple. Okay. I hope I answered you, my dear. Okay, you said Leo. Sorry. No wonder I said the Leo was a stubborn person, because Leos by nature are very stubborn and very strong-headed. So I guess my answer resonated with you, Gigi Libra. You're new, I think, so please don't forget to subscribe the button. Hit the subscribe button, please. Gloria B, welcome. I've been struggling with you over WhatsApp since 3-4 days. Welcome. Hello, I just messaged you. Did you want me to send money, or are you answering 3 questions here? See, I will answer you one question. You're most welcome to ask me whatever you want here. And if you want to take a proper session, you're welcome to do that as well. The choice is completely yours. No worries. YOLO, Gloria ma'am is answering 3 questions here. YOLO, I think I'm going to make you the head of this chat because you're answering everybody's questions. Thank you. Shweta Singh, hello mama. Mama? Shweta? Bolo beta. I will become an officer or not. Hey Bhagwan, Shweta, सच्ची में ये same Shweta Singh है कोई और है? हैं? Sorry Shweta, I'm sorry. There was another Shweta. Welcome. Hello ma'am, I will become an officer or not? Will I clear my exams or not? Okay. You will clear your exam and you will become an officer. What is wrong with your confidence? You're asking me whether you will become an officer or not? Why are you confused? What's making you confused? Don't you have some confidence in yourself? You will definitely clear your exam. You know why I'm saying like this? Because the sun card is here. That means you don't need anybody's assurance on this. Have that confidence in yourself. You're going to do just great. Okay, Shweta? Don't doubt. And for this, because everybody's in a doubtful situation, I have one answer for everybody. I took out a card in the beginning, a blessing card, which was saying protection, Ganesha card. That means, and because it's the eclipse time going on, everybody's going to have mood swings. Everybody's going to feel doubtful. Everybody is going to feel insecure about a lot of things in life, whether to start a business or not, whether my relationship is right or not, whether I'm taking the right steps or not, whether I'm going to clear my exams or not. This is normal because of the eclipse happening. It affects the human body. Okay, it's not your fault. But my reassurance answer to you is protection, which says don't worry. For everybody out there, anybody who can do a small, tiny ritual, write your intentions on a small piece of paper. Use any pen you like, red, blue, don't use black, green. Write anything on that piece of paper and burn it. And just blow out the ashes in a garden or in a a pot of plant that you have. Anything, do that. It's going to really help you release all the doubts that you're having right now. Just release that intention out in the universe. Okay. Funny Bones, hello ma'am. A general guidance message for me, please. I'm feeling very stressed and confused these days. I just explained you something. Go back to the live chat to hear the first message again. Why everybody is feeling like this is a proper scientific reason behind it. Go to my Instagram, jambaka.in. I've explained you why it's happening and I've given you a ritual over there as well. Do follow it. It goes out for everyone. It really is going to help you guys. And if you have crystals, or if nobody has crystals, I'll give you a best answer to this. Take a pot of water. It should be transparent, or a big bowl or a glass bowl. A glass works the best. Cover it with a cling film and keep it out in the moonlight. Just generally, even if it's not a moon on full moon, if it's a full moon or not, I don't care. It should be a full moon is my priority. But if it is not, just keep it out and just start taking a bath with it in the next morning. It really is going to help you. But while taking a bath, you need to chant those incantations in your mind that I hope this water helps you. If you believe in cleansing yourself, you can add lavender buds in it, rosemary in it. You can sage yourself out. I'll show you in the end what all is required. Dried rose leaves, rose petals. You can add all of this and take a rejuvenation bath. Okay. Sorry again, Funny Bones, I'm going to answer your question, my dear. Okay, hello, man, general guidance. Okay. Yes, your things are a little delayed in your life right now. Things are not moving as per your pace, as per required pace that you wanted. That's why you're feeling this way. Listen, if you have anybody who is jealous around you right now, or anyone who's very peculiar about the way they talk or they look at you, please stay away from such people. And your fourth chakra card has come out. That means from your heart. Try to forgive people around you if someone has hurt you, if someone said bad things to you. Or just move away from the drama for now. Funny Bones, if it's making sense to you, please let me know. Okay? Gloria B, I messaged CL. How does he feel about my message? Okay. I'll draw an energy card for you, Gloria. That person is feeling like this. Is that making sense? Feeling anxious about your message and confused as to what to do. It's positive and negative both. Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Saddam Alam. You're welcome. Mangal 19. Thanks. You said rightly that I might have someone in mind, but I am not dating at present, but would still like to know, should I approach him myself? Will it be regret or the reference to my question, and when will I get married and how will it be? Mangal, you have too many questions, my dear. Like I said, I have skipped. No, someone going to jail. Okay. So Mangal, please, if you really want to, and if you think I'm talking sense, I'm not just blabbing and I'm making sense to you, I'm resonating, please contact me on WhatsApp. Again, I said I will not answer because as you can see in the beginning, everybody was just thinking I'm ignoring them. I'm just going to answer you one question, Mangala, and I think I already have. Either you can wait for the next live session, or you can genuinely contact me. My number is mentioned again. Okay. Joshika's light. Welcome. I'm from Singapore. Don't understand Hindi. Thanks, love. Okay, Joshika, no worries. I think I answered you already in English. I have subscribed. Love your energy, by the way. Thank you, Joshika. Thank you so much. And I love the rainbows you're sending in along with the stars. Says a lot about you. So thank you. How can I get another reading, my lovely at Triambaka? Okay, I just mentioned my phone number in the chat above. You can just scroll down and find my number there. Contact me there and I will explain you everything, okay? Don't worry. Sakshi Sareen, to you as well. Ignore. Should I lean more towards finance or engineering? Okay. Finance, engineering, and I will see the tarot as well. Okay. Both the answers are not very perfect. For finance, it's coming 2 of wands and all tied up. And for engineering, it's coming 4 of pentacles and hostilities. See, in both the things, in whatever field you will go, engineering or finance, you're always going to think, I should have taken the other one. You will never be satisfied. But I see you having more happiness, emotional happiness in the first choice, which was finance. And I see you being a little stuck and getting irritable in engineering. I don't know if this is making sense to you or not. EK, please do reply back and tell me if it is making sense to you. Just Preet, Anuja, thank you. You're welcome. GC, thank you. You're welcome. Tara Joshi, welcome. I love your name. I mentioned it last time also. Tara Ma is right behind me, if you can see here. There she is. So, will I get married in 2020? I'll just see that. I have not missed. क्या वो नहीं चल रहा? Am I stuck, guys? Am I like? Was I stuck, people? If I was stuck, I'm sorry. I didn't even realize. I mean, I was too busy yapping away to glory. Okay, so I answered EK's question. I came down to Tara Joshi. Yes, you will, but there is a tower card coming in, so be careful. I think probably you might just walk away from a relationship before you end up getting married. You're going to end up having, I don't know if you're married or not. I mean, engaged or probably in a relationship. You will get cut off from that first and then get married. And if you haven't, I think probably that's in your destiny for you. That you will get involved with someone before, you will have a relationship, you'll end up having a breakup, and that's when you will hit up a marriage. Shweta Singh, ma'am, you didn't reply to me even once, and you're saying you're telling me this the 10th time. When did you answer? Shweta Singh, I answered you about you becoming an officer. I did. You know what? You go to the live chat again. When you see the recording again, I have answered you pretty well. I confused you with another girl who was Shweta Singh. That's why I said the first sentence. But then later on, when I realized it's a new person, I answered your question. Okay? YOLO, ma'am. I think there are 2 different Shweta Singhs. Yes, YOLO. I realized it now. Thank you. Shweta Singh, I'm preparing for civil services. Good luck. I'm preparing for civil services and feeling lonely, and my family don't trust much. They want me to get married, so I'm very tense. What will happen? Shweta, again, I think I'm reading your answer later on before answering your question. I already answered. And again, because you guys joined me later, you did not join me in the beginning. I had given some divine guidance and divine messages in the start. I would really request you to just go and see when I upload this video, to see at least 5-6 minutes of the beginning of the video. You don't need to watch the whole chat again, but do see it because there's a good message for you in the start. Chandan Kumar, Chandan, आप तो जानती हो आप, एंड बोला था जब लाइव आओगे तो पूछ लेना। हाँ जी बिल्कुल पूछिए, अब तो बता दो मैं एक्टर बनूंगा कि नहीं। बिल्कुल बनेंगे, आप मेहनत कीजिए, आपके अंदर पोटेंशियल है, थोड़ी सी मेहनत दिख रही है मुझे, बिल्कुल बनेंगे। और आपका नया काम, अगर आप कुछ नया काम भी सोचने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं तो उसको साइडलाइन मत करना, आप उस पर भी अपनी मेहनत जरूर डालना, क्योंकि उसमें भी आपकी सक्सेस दिख रही है। ठीक है चंदन जी। श्वेता सिंह, थैंक यू मैम। यार thank you ma'am, but I want deputy collector post, whether I will get this post or some other. Shweta, again I'm answering one question per person, my dear. So please hang in. I think I will answer you without the title. You will become what you want, by the way. You just have to set your intention right. You should be sure about yourself. You will get what you want. Okay? YOLO, kindly post only one question per person. I will answer. If you want a more in-depth reading, you have to book for first. YOLO, what's your real name? Come on, tell me, what's your real name? You seem like a very nice person. You're following the chat like really ardently. I like it. Thank you so much. Thank you, YOLO. Tara Joshi, Chandan, no. That's not fair, Tara. Shweta Singh, you're beautiful and humble too. Thank you, Shweta. And I'm sorry again for the confusion. Gaurav Sharma, ma'am, मेरा financial life कैसा होगा? आपका financial life कैसा होगा? Let's see. आपका फाइनेंशियल लाइफ जैसा आप चाह रहे हैं वैसा मुझे नहीं दिख रहा है, ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग। आपकी लाइफ में अगस्त महीना खत्म होने के बाद, गौरव शर्मा, मैं आपका क्वेश्चन का आंसर दे रही हूँ। अगस्त का महीना खत्म होने के बाद आपकी लाइफ में कुछ चेंज आएंगे। अगेन आपको अपना कर्मा करना पड़ेगा वो चीज पे पहुंचने के लिए। कोई चीज में नामुमकिन नहीं होती। इम्पॉसिबल में भी आई एम पॉसिबल लिखा होता है, तो वो चीज पॉसिबल है। आप अपना कर्म खुद बनाइए। फिलहाल मुझे वो चीज नहीं दिख रही है, पर मेरे को अगस्त के बाद पॉसिबिलिटी नहीं दिखनी शुरू हो रही है। उसमें आप अपना कितना कर्म डालते हैं, कितनी मेहनत डालते हैं, वो कंप्लीट आप पे डिपेंड करेगा। ओके गौरव। we had a breakup, will A contact me for a new start? Okay, yes, that person will, and I think in about, not before 2 months. You know, everybody's cards are coming for 2 months. I don't know why, what's the reason behind it, but I see 2 months time that person is going to realize what that person has done and definitely will contact you again. YOLO again. Kindly like, share, subscribe to ma'am's channel. YOLO, what's your name? I really want to know your name. You're very sweet, whosoever you are. Gloria B. Shweta Singh, you will need to rewind. She did answer your question. Thank you, Gloria. I'm glad someone else was paying attention. Thank you. Joshika Light. Triambaka, unfortunately, live chat cuts off earlier chat details. Could you post your contact again? Dearly appreciated. Okay, Joshika, I'm posting it right now. Okay. Thank you, YOLO. Poppy Loretta, welcome back. I saw you last time as well. Hello. Ignore Aurora. Yes, that's true. I still have time to decide, so I'll give it more thought. Thank you. You're welcome, Ike. God bless you. I hope you get more than you deserve. Good luck. Poppy Loretta, who is coming to me in love? His personality trait. Oh my God, you know what card flipped out? The unknown. But then again, I've kept it out and I'm going to answer your question still. That person is going to be very manipulative. Again, don't catch my word. Manipulations can also mean a person who knows his way out in life. He knows what the person wants. And he's going to be a person who has that drive to follow through hard. You know, if in case, in specific, if you guys end up having a fight, he's not going to leave it. He's not going to let it go. He's going to follow you back through. He's going to try to console you, which is a good thing. I think most of the men don't have this capabilities, and this is going to happen. And probably this person can also be sort of just got out of a relationship or a marriage or a bad living thing, and that person is going to be filthy rich. I hope that answered you well. Tara Joshi single. Okay. Um, Sorry तारा, मुझे थोड़ा याद नहीं आ रहा मैंने बोला क्या था जिसके लिए आपने सिंगर बोला है, बट okay. Bosky C, hello, welcome. I saw you last time as well. When will I get married and how will my married life be? When will you get married? Again, I mention it every time, guys. If you want to ask something about when, it's better. The answer is more accurate. I will still answer you, but the answer is more accurate because of your intent. That will I get married in so and so date? Because this is not a one-on-one session. Again, I will still answer you. I don't see it this year at all. I see next year, January, to be the time for you. How will your married life be? Okay, let's take out one card. I see the married life is going to be like you're going to appreciate each other a lot. It's going to be all about pushing each other as in towards good. If you're going to support each other, it's going to be a very supportive marriage. It's not going to be, if you're not able to do something, the other person is always going to be ready to help you through with whatever it is that you want. Okay, boss Kisi. I was on your live stream. I don't know who's messaging me right now, but I'll definitely check after I'm done with the session. Yes, if you're hearing me right now, I just received your question. I don't know your name. It's not mentioned, and I'm not opening my phone. So, yeah, I received your question. I have received your message. Okay, YOLO, YOLO, ma'am, maybe questions are repeating. Okay, I'm sorry. Thank you, YOLO. Thank you. Madhu Tulsian. Tulsian. I'm sorry, Madhu, if I've mispronounced your surname. My daughter's marriage has been discontinued after 1 month of marriage only. So I want to know whether this marriage will work or finally divorce would be done. Her name is Anisha. Date of birth is okay. With the name, I can just tell you a few traits about her. She's very specific about what she wants, she likes, and she's very good with her words. Is that so, Madhuji? Anyway, but let's see. Answer her question. Give it 2 months time. I think this marriage is going to continue. I don't see a divorce happening. Even if you guys are wanting a divorce, I don't see it happening. It's not my fault. So I hope I answered you, Madhuji. YOLO, YOLO. Yo, okay, no problem. I still don't know your name, YOLO. Please mention your name. Sonam C, thank you, ma'am. You're welcome. Sonam, but मैंने answer ही नहीं किया आपका कुछ. I don't think so. Rajiv Singh. Ajit Bhaiya loves me or not? What? Why am I facing problem with him? Why don't he understand? Okay. I'll simply answer you whether Ajit Bhaiya loves you or not. Okay, Rajiv ji. मेरा मन नहीं कर रहा बोलने को. See, I don't see the love, but I see the concern, and that person really wants you to move on in life. तो फैमिली में ज्यादा थोड़े इन्वॉल्व है अजीत भैया आपके. ठीक है राजीव, अभी मेरे को नहीं दिखा कुछ भी आपका. सवाल सही लगा मुझे। गौरव शर्मा, थैंक यू, यू वेलकम। पीवी, थैंक्स मैडम, यू वेलकम। योलो योलो, ये योलो योलो के मैसेज डिलीट क्यों हो रहे हैं? ओके। एम, हेलो हेलो एम। श्वेता सिंह, क्या अतुल सेन ने जो मुझे चीट किया, क्या उसके बाद उसके साथ बुरा होगा? श्वेता सिंह, अतुल ने जो चीट किया उसका कर्मा अगर बार बार सोचते रहोगे तब तक उसको कर्मा मिलेगा भी नहीं। मैं आपको ये रियलिटी बताऊं बात। आप जब तक जिसने आपके साथ बुरा किया आप उसके बारे में सोचते रहोगे ना, मतलब उसका वो साइकिल आपने खत्म नहीं होने दिया। आप वो साइकिल खत्म होने दो कि प्रभु भगवान उस चीज को कुछ कॉन्सेंट्रेट करेंगे। बट एनीवे, यू शुड बी हैप्पी। जजमेंट कार्ड आया, भोलेनाथ का कार्ड, मतलब उसको उसका कर्मा मिलेगा। ये अनडाउटेडली कोई डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन नहीं था। देयर इज एन इंटरनेशनल कॉल। ये कोई डाउट वाला क्वेश्चन नहीं है। आपको प्रभु पे इतना विश्वास होना चाहिए कि जो इंसान आपके साथ कुछ बुरा कर रहा है उसके साथ नेचुरली होगा। और मैं कहती हूँ अगर नहीं भी हो तो आपके लिए वो कंसर्न नहीं होना चाहिए। आप अपनी लाइफ में ढूंढो, अपना मकसद ढूंढो, अपने आप को समझो कि आपको क्या सीखने को मिला उस रिलेशनशिप से। आई एम श्योर जो भी जिसके साथ धोखा हुआ है वो अपने बारे में बहुत कुछ नई चीजें भी जान पाता है कि मेरे में ये क्षमता है, मुझे ये करना चाहिए था, मुझे ये नहीं करना चाहिए था। आप उस पर कॉन्सेंट्रेट करो। मैं आपको लेक्चर नहीं दे रही। अगर आप इस चैट पे आए तो मेरा फर्ज बनता है कि मैं आपको सही दिशा दिखाऊं। और मेरे अभी कहने पे यही बनेगा कि अब आपको जवाब मिल गया, भोलेनाथ का कार्ड आ गया। आज के बाद आप ये चीज नहीं सोचोगे कि उस इंसान को उसका कर्म मिलेगा या नहीं। लीव इट टू गॉड, ही विल डू द व्हाट इज रिक्वायर्ड। आप अपने आप पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट करो। उस बंदे ने अपने आप पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट किया, वो अपना आगे चलेगा। आप क्यों अपना वक्त बर्बाद कर रहे हो? डिस्कनेक्ट, दैट्स इट। ओके, आई होप एंड प्रे भगवान आपको इतनी शक्ति दे कि आप इस रिलेशनशिप को भूलें और आप आगे बढ़ें। कोई भी चीज, कोई भी इंसान वर्थ नहीं होता कि आप अपना मानसिक संतुलन खो बैठे। कोई चीज वर्थ इट नहीं। वर्थ इट होते हैं सिर्फ माँ बाप, आपके ब्लड रिलेशनशिप, और अगर आप मैरिड हैं आपके पति पर, आपके पति, आपकी पत्नी और आपके बच्चे। उसके अलावा कोई वर्थ इट नहीं। इसको गांठ बांध लो फ्यूचर के लिए। गुड लक। Okay, Joshika, I'll send you WhatsApp soon and I hope it's the right person. Okay, Joshika, I've been receiving messages on the other number. I'm not checking right now because of the live chat. I'll check it later. Gloria B, yes, Joshika. Yolo, yolo. Ma'am, Joshika. Awesome, lovelies at Yolo and Gloria. Yes, Yolo, yolo. I don't know, you guys are chatting within yourselves. I don't know what's happening. The altar is mesmerizing. Oh yes, thank you very much. This is my piece place. I'll show you around a little bit. This is where I sit. Here's my deck of cards, as you can see. And this is where I sit. So thank you for appreciating. Thank you very much. So getting back with your ma'am Suzu. I don't know what is Suzu. अच्छा आप अपना नाम बता रहे हो. Are you telling me your name, YOLO? Madhu, thank you. You're welcome. Joshika, I got to go. All the very best to everyone on this live stream. Sending love your way. I will check up your WhatsApp text, Joshika. Thank you. Rainbows and lovely hearts to you as well. Okay. YOLO, YOLO. Same to you, Joshika. Take care. Stay safe. All right. Mimi, will Dario text me? Mimi, I'm only answering one question per person in this live chat. But anyway, I think, I don't know why, but I'll just answer you with one card. I'm not taking out more. The person is coming. He's coming with a lot of love. Yes, he will, but when, I can't answer that, but he will. Just have a little patience. SNGMM. I don't know. Maybe it's short form of Sanjam. I don't know. So, hi, when will I get to meet the love of my life? Sanjam, oh sorry, SNGM. I have already mentioned before that it's very much better if you guys, mention your intent yourself, because it's not a one-on-one session, it's a live stream. A lot of energies here. So the answer is more accurate if you say that, but I'll ask it my way. Will you get to meet the love of your life? I see October, you will meet this person. I answered your question there. YOLO, YOLO. Wow, so beautiful, ma'am. Thank you, YOLO. Thanks for appreciating. Shweta Singh, thank you. I'm sorry I bothered you. You did not bother me at all. I'm sorry I got confused with the names, because Shweta Singh, I think I've seen this name 3 times now. So I'm sorry again. Gloria B, I sent you payment on WhatsApp. All right, Gloria, I think I've got a thumbs up from my friend that says, yes, I have received. Thank you so much. This has been a struggle past 4 days. Thank you, Gloria. I'll get back to you after this live chat is over. You're welcome, SNGM UIVS. Hi, Jazz. It's me, Vishal. I could see you on YouTube finally. Hi, Vishal. I'm not sure I recognize you, but yes, welcome in. YOLO, YOLO. Thank you, Gloria, ma'am. We'll get to you. YOLO, you are my manager of my live chats now. From now on, you're managing everything. Thank you. Gloria B, yes, it has, but you're worth it. Big hug. Thank you. Thank you, Gloria. Listen, I tried my best myself, to help out, but some things just didn't work. I think there are times mentioned for everybody when it is best required. So I think that's how it was supposed to be, Gloria. Okay, I think. Oh, was that me? Okay, I think I'm facing some internet issues. Anyway, to end, I'm about to end this now, to part you guys with a beautiful note. Again, I'm going to take out some messages in the end for you people. What the hell was that? Just taking out some advice cards in the end. Let's see what comes out for everyone. I'll take out a happy message, actually. Ooh, look at the card that's come. Time to go. What? My sister is also here and she's giggling for some reason. I don't know why. Time to go. Okay, now this means for you, time to go as in now for the chat. Time to go means, whatever you guys are going through, whether it's a bad thing happening in your life, it's time to stop. It's time to stop wasting your energies on some things that don't matter. You need to move on in your life. Go ahead, put in your energies in the best things which is meant for you, and not waste your energies on silly stuff. And last but not the least, I'm going to take our happy message. If you want others to be happy, practice compassion. If you want to be happy, practice compassion. Dalai Lama. Oh, too much of glare. Simple meaning, have that love in yourself. It's all about karma. If you want something nice to come back to you, you need to give out that energy in the universe to everybody around. And it talks about happiness, it talks about compassion, it talks about love, it talks about the positivity that you're wanting, it talks about the blessings as well. Bless everybody around, forgive everybody around if you want forgiveness from everyone. That's how you need to live your life. This should be your motto in life. I think people are still typing messages. Gloria B, yes, it has, but you're worth it. Thank you. Oh, Gloria, that's so sweet of you. YOLO, YOLO. Thank you for answering on my behalf. Gloria B, it's been 4 days. YOLO, we have been trying to get payments sent from USA to India. LOL. Yes. It's not LOL. It was headache for me. I was trying my best to help out. But anyway. I'm so happy we figured it out. Yes, I'm happy too. I'm glad that I'll be of some service to you. God is great. Yes, He is. Chetan Gupta, thank you so much. You were awesome. YOLO, you have been great doing coordination. Yes, indeed. Thumbs up to him. Uh, Thank you. No problem, Chetan. Thank you so much, ma'am, for everything. Really appreciate it. Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna end this. Vibrant Sun, you're coming and I'm about to leave. So please be quick with your question if you wanna ask. You're gonna be the last one I'm answering. So, Vibrant Sun, please type your question quick before I end the session. I was just about to end. If you have anything to ask, that is, because everybody's just satisfied and happy and quiet now. Okay. Gaurav Sharma, next time कब आओगे? I listen. You follow me on Instagram. That is triambakar.in. You can subscribe me here. आपको notification आ जाएगा. You can follow me on Facebook. Same name. आपको notification आ जाएगा. I cannot decide beforehand. Shweta Singh, my husband's question. Shweta, I have answered you before. I'm telling you again. You want more questions? Either wait for the next live free session, or you can contact me. The number has been given twice in the chat. You should make YOLO a moderator. I don't know how to do that, but yes, okay, I will do that. I'm ready to do it. Your lucky son. Yes, I'm happy too. What's in it for me this month? Ma'am, son posted. Thank you, YOLO. I can see. You said last. Yes, it will be the last. What's in it for you this month? You know what? I will take out an energy card and a live stream card for you. Vibrant Sun. Last message of the chat today. Fingers crossed, guys. I hope you get the best one. Volunteer. This means this is time for you to help people. Just a minute ago, I was explaining everybody, if you want to experience happiness, preach happiness, give happiness around, preach compassion. I was just giving, a few sentences about how karma works. Volunteer means don't sit back. If you're capable of doing certain things other people are not capable of doing, or somewhere you have you accelerate or something. I'm saying wrong. If you are good at something simple in your family also, be it helping your mom out or your father or your siblings, or you have pets, or you have older people in your home like your grandparents, help them out. Ask if you need help. This is what you're supposed to do. See how, wow, I think you have a very beautiful energy, Sun. That's why your name is also Vibrant Sun. What does the sun do? Everybody needs the sun. The sun is required for growing fruits, flowers, everything in the earth, right? This is come for you, healer of all ages and volunteer. I think you have a very vibrant energy. You're a very good soul. Start helping our people. This is what you're meant for right now. This month, concentrate not on yourself, but on everything else around you. This is time to give. You're going to be like a healer. So that's it, guys. DM, hello, during the time last year I lived with my... Should I answer? Sorry. I think, Vibrant Sun, I think I answered your question. I hope you're happy with it. One more person has joined us in. Hi, DM. I was just about to leave. Hello, during the time last year I lived with my ex. Was he faithful? You're asking a question about your ex? DM, you knew. I don't mean to cry, but something that has already moved from your life, don't give in that much energy if it doesn't mean anything to you. If he's an ex, that's a reason why he's an ex. But anyway, I'll answer your question. Was he faithful to you last year, right? And the answer is a no. And I think you knew the answer already. And now you should not even think about him. So not worth it. YOLO, Shweta, kindly contact ma'am for more depth reading. YOLO, you make me laugh. You're welcome, Vibrant Sun. Hi, DM, I'm very well. I think I've already answered your question. Okay, I've been thinking of learning a healing modality. I guess this is oh, hell yes, it's a confirmation for you. Good luck. All right, I think this is ending. I really need to stop this chat now. I am tired of sitting on the floor. My knees are hurting. So, good luck to you all. I'll see you next time. Do hit the subscribe button, follow me on Instagram, and please, you will get all the notifications there. And do not forget to share the videos if you liked it. Help me get more subscribers that really need this. Good luck, Jai Bhole. मेरा गला फट चुका है